Welcome to Parent University here in the great city of Newark. I'm Superintendent León, and I wanted to take this opportunity to welcome you. Unlike ever before, we have created a renewed partnership between the schools, the district, the families at home. It's extremely important for you to understand something that I already know, that you already know. Being a parent is not an easy thing. There are many people who have written books about it, but no one can tell you better than what you actually are living right now. I also want to share with you, as you also probably already know, who was your child's first teacher? In fact, it was you. Our work at the Parent University is to help you help us help your child better. That is exactly what we're going to do. And the way that we're going to do this is to provide you with a number of courses during the entire school year to help you help us help your child do better. I also want you to know that one of the things that we're going to be doing is taking the opportunities of the realities of today and utilizing the technology that perhaps you already have at home or the Chromebooks that we're issuing your child so that you can actually take these courses while you might also be at home. Also, I want you to be aware that during the evenings, we will be providing opportunities for classes so that if you can't join us during the day because you're watching your children or, in fact, you are at work, that you will be provided the opportunity to also take advantage of the courses that we're going to have for you. So we're extremely excited. We hope that you're extremely excited. I know that these are some very, very trying times for us. But ultimately, at the end, this pandemic that we are all living together is going to be more behind us than ahead of us. And we're going to need you to be ready and perhaps more ready than you've ever been. At the start of this school year, we're going to be issuing snapshots, which will be a forecast of everything that every child needs to know by the end of each academic year, starting in pre-kindergarten all the way to 8th grade. By the time your child gets into high school, we're going to have a resource guide for parents that will actually help you help your child make important decisions about the courses, the course sequences that they will actually be taking, and the pathways to different types of careers that are going to be made available for your child while they are in high school. So while this is a conversation about now, it's also a conversation about even greater and better tomorrows. I want to thank you for taking the opportunity to join us at Parent University. And I want to take this opportunity as your superintendent to wish you nothing but great success this school year and all the years thereafter.